Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars back. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to download the game smoothly. Then, navigate to your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search for Brawl Stars. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage and is running a compatible operating system version, like Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0, for optimal performance. Once you have the game installed, the next crucial step is recovering your progress. If you previously created a Supercell ID, simply log in with your email and verification code to restore your account. This is the most reliable method. Alternatively, if your game was linked to Google Play Games or Apple Game Center, try logging in through those services. If all else fails, contact Supercell support directly through their in-game help section for personalized assistance. Experiencing issues after installation? Try these common fixes. First, clear the cache and data for Brawl Stars from your device's application settings. This often resolves minor glitches. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game completely. Before doing so, ensure your account is linked to Supercell ID. Also, check for any pending software updates on your phone or tablet, as outdated operating systems can cause compatibility problems. To prevent losing your Brawl Stars progress again, always link your game to a Supercell ID. This free service securely saves your game data across multiple devices. Make sure to remember your Supercell ID login details, perhaps by writing them down in a safe place. Regularly backing up your entire device can also provide an extra layer of security, ensuring your game data and other important information are always protected and easily recoverable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.